In this video, you'll learn how to activate voice mode on Claude AI so you can talk instead of type. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll be comfortable using the voice interface in a natural, smooth way. First, you'll want to open Claude as you normally do. You can use either a brand new chat or an existing conversation. It doesn't matter whether you've been talking with Claude for a while or you're starting fresh. Voice mode works the same in both cases. So if you already have a chat open with some history you want to continue, feel free to use that. If not, just create a new chat and you're ready for the next part. Once your chat is open, take a look near the text input bar at the bottom of the screen. This is the area where you usually type your messages. Right next to that text box, you should see a small sound wave style icon, often represented by a stylized wave or a similar symbol. That's the button you'll use to switch into voice mode. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is fully expanded and that you're in a regular chat view, not in a settings or account page. Sometimes small icons can be easy to miss, so take a moment to scan the area around the message box. Once you've located the sound wave icon, you're ready to start using your voice. Now tap that sound wave icon. As soon as you do, Claude will switch into a full screen voice interface. The screen will change to make it clear that you're in voice mode, and you'll see visual indicators that Claude is ready to listen. This full screen view is designed to keep things focused and easy to follow while you're speaking without distractions from the rest of the chat interface. Once you're in this voice screen, you can start talking just like you would in a normal conversation. There's no need to speak in short robotic phrases. Claude is built to handle natural flowing speech. You can explain your question, give context, or think out loud a little, and Claude will listen. As you talk, Claude will pay attention to your natural pauses. When you stop speaking for a moment, it will recognize that as a good time to treat your message as complete and start processing what you've said. This means you don't have to press anything every time you want to send a message. Simply pause when you're done and Claude will take it from there. If you prefer more control or you're not sure whether you're completely finished with your thought, you can also choose to send your message manually. On the voice interface, look for the up arrow icon. When you're done speaking, tap that up arrow to confirm that your message is ready to go. This is especially helpful if you like to pause and think mid-sentence, but don't want Claude to interpret that as the end of your message. To recap the workflow, open a chat, tap the soundwave icon next to the text bar to enter the full screen voice interface, then just start speaking. Let Claude detect your pauses automatically or use the up arrow to send your message when you're ready. That's all you need to activate and use voice mode on Claude AI. With these simple steps, you can move from typing to talking and make your conversations feel more natural and hands-free.